Hello, fellow crafters. This is Segura's Crafts here at Scrappiness to introduce to you the Peking Bunny craft die. I'm going to die cut all the pieces so you can see exactly how to put it together, and you can see how they all look like separate. All right, let's go ahead and start putting these pieces together. I am going to get my tweezers and my jewel pick tools because we're gonna need some help. And I'm also going to use my liquid glue. Okay, so the object of this die is that it gives you the option of the bunny looking out or the bunny falling in. Let's put it together first, and then maybe it'll help give a better visual of what I'm trying to explain. All right, so here's the little feet. We're gonna take that. We're just gonna add a little bit of glue. You don't want to put too much because you don't want it to seep out. So just gonna put very small dots of glue. Then we're going to line it up. I don't know if you can see here. We're just going to line it up there with the line. And perfect. And now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. You know, sometimes die cutting is one of those things that you should do while like watching TV or die piecing projects. Watching TV, I like to watch a good show when I'm doing die piecing projects. Kind of keeps your mind busy, and before you know it, you're done. This is the tail, and we're just gonna line that up with here. All right, and that's it for this portion. So this is, you know, the rear of the bunny sticking out, kind of like the bunny's falling in. And then I'm gonna do the face. And these two circles here, they do have impressions in it. So like for the hand, I don't know if you can see it, if I can get it on the camera. There you go. Show like the little paws of the bunny. And I'll show this as well. There's also different impressions in the face. Imprints to give the face looks is cute. Okay, let's go ahead and put this all together. Just gonna put the circle, match the circle with the circle. It's pretty simple, and I love that about this. It's very easy to put together once you know where everything goes. All right, and now remember, you can definitely have fun with it. Use different colors, put the ear together. Use different colors, different pattern papers, maybe even sequence papers. I don't know if you've ever heard of that, but there's sequence papers. Anything that you would like to see on your project. All right, so we have the main part done, and I'll show you how it looks. Now we're gonna put in the little piece of the eyes, the mouth, the nose, all that fun jazz. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to put like very small little like dots. And then I'm actually going to use my jewel pick tool, and you'll see there, you'll see how there is this eye with lashes, and then this is just regular eyes, and that just to help if you wanted to make it a girl or a guy. I mean, a girl or guy. Oop, I put that backwards. Let me fix this up. go. I might have took a little bit of my glue off there, but we'll fix that. And that's what I love about this tool. It makes it so much easier to put die pieces together. Some people will use like a tweezer. For me, a tweezer is good. But when it comes to like really, really small ones, my fingers just don't seem to work right. And I can't seem to maneuver the tweezers too well. So I'm glad I have this one. It makes life a whole lot easier. Cute little nose. And then we have this piece, which would be the teeth. Isn't that adorable? Oh, look at it. It's so cute. Ah. 2 pieces. Isn't that adorable? Here's a quick card that I created with this product. Links to the products are located in the description box below. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification button to get updates on new videos. Don't forget to show us your projects on our Facebook page. I hope you guys have a crafty day and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.